Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a pleasant day today. And this is the day that the Lord has made. And let us rejoice and be glad in it. I thank you all so much for tuning in to my channel this morning. And I am blessed, and I know that everyone else is blessed also. Today I'm going to do what you call a one-place meal. And I'm going to be doing it with the turkey. I'm going to call it, it's called the turkey meal. And it's like a spaghetti type thing also. So you're going to watch me, and it's very good. And you will see me doing it in a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to do my morning verse. Okay, scripture here. So I'm going to take it from Job 12:12. It's not wisdom found among the aged. Does not long life bring understanding? It's not wisdom found among the aged. Does not long life bring understanding? Job 12:12. Thank you for the morning reading of the scripture. And I hope it will help someone today, tonight, tomorrow, or next week, or whenever they look at the video. And may God bless each and every one of y'all. Have a wonderful day today. So I'm going to get ready. So I have, this is a thing that you can make out of ground meat. But I'm using the ground turkey instead. I don't have any ground meat today. So, okay. I've already put in just a little bit of my seasoning, which I always use. And that's my onion powder, black pepper, and I'll complete. And also the garlic powder. So those are the three things that I've already started using. And I have a little bit more that I'll be putting on. Okay. So that's that for that side. Okay. So now I'm going to be kind of beating it up in here. And then I'm going to put it in the skillet. And let it cook. In the meantime, while this is cooking and browning, it's going to brown. I'm already going to put just a little bit of, just a little bit of butter with it also. To season it out. That's what it does. It seasons it out. And I've used avocado oil. Now you can, it is better with olive oil, but I don't use olive oil too much. So I'm using avocado oil. Okay. So now I'm going to put it, I have it down low now. I'm going to put it on medium, and I'm going to start the meat to cooking, okay? Okay, and in this dish, I'm going to be, after I cook the, get my ground beef, get my ground turkey done, I'm going to be dropping just a little few bit of onions in it. Just as soon as it starts to brown, just a little bit. I'm going to be dropping further onions in. I kind of have it all blended together, so. I'm getting ready to set this aside, and I'm going to take this smaller skillet, and I'm going to put this in to here. Let me see, I'm going to put a little butter in there. And I'm going to be putting in my that's about half a stick, half a spoon of butter I put in here. So now I'm going to be putting in mushrooms. I have 3 mushrooms, just regular mushrooms cut up. And I'm going to be browning those 3 mushrooms with the garlic. Oh, okay. And with this garlic, I also have uh, the mushroom, and I have some zucchini. They'll be going in with that to brown. Now I'm going to add these few carrots also. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells really good. So, after I get this almost ready, then I'll be adding so now I'm getting ready to this is going in about, it cooks about 5 or 6, 10 minutes now. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to push this in. Yeah. Okay. Put this in the pan so we can store it. This is the rest of the onions, bell peppers, and sweet peppers. All this will go back in. Okay. All right, I'm starting it back off with them medium high now, so it'll go and get ready. Okay. And it should cook it medium high until it kind of browns a little bit. And then I'll be pouring it back off into the other skillet with the meat. Need another pan. That's the garlic powder. Complete. Onion powder. And this skillet I have to use 2 skillets at one time. should have put white pepper, but I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Cooks a little bit. Then I'll pour it back into this skillet. Then I'll be putting a can of mushroom soup in it. Okay, now I'm exchanging the skillets again. And I'm going to pull this up and put this one up here. And put all this in here, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I thought the camera was on. She added a can of mushroom soup.
Adding chicken broth. I'm going to add enough. It will probably be, let me see. I get a measuring cup now. See, measuring cup. Chicken broth.
There's 2 cups.
Yeah.
Yeah, and 2 cups of chicken broth.
I'm going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes at medium. On medium, it's still on.
Alright, y'all, we'll be back. You just get the sauce.
Alright, this is a little Italian dressing. I'm going to go in here. Italian seasoning with it. And then I'm going to be putting in marinara. Granulated garlic. Granulated onion. I'm putting just a tiny bit of paprika. And a marinated sauce.
Hey, y'all. She's putting her potatoes. Okay. She putting her tomatoes in there. Use that the little small tomatoes. She let this be at the end so the tomatoes wouldn't get overly cooked.
Okay. Now, that's it. Oh.
And now she's putting marinara in the spaghetti that goes with the meat sauce.
You say you can put a little dab of sugar, a little dab of honey if you want to. If you like it, you know. We won't less, don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, this is so good. So good. Y'all try this dish. It's real good. Okay, y'all add the sauce. Make sure you cook it longer so the marinade and the sauce can mix in together. And add just some sugar or honey. It comes out real good. But as we always say, season as you want to season. All right, Miss Lena's gonna taste it and we're gonna finish out the video.
Okay, everyone. This was my final presentation of this spaghetti. It's a one-pot spaghetti meal, and it's something that you can do fast, really. It just takes a little time to do this one. But now I call this one is turkey, ground turkey. Most time you would call it ground meat, but this one I was using as ground turkey. It's a ground turkey. And now I can also make it out of casserole by putting it in the oven with cheese on it. But I'm just making this in one pot and saving all of that I already have. So I'm going to taste it for you all. I have all your vegetables in it. It was very good. And your meat, I have zucchini, carrots, onions, bell pepper, green peppers, sweet pepper, and something else I put in it. But anyway.
Mushroom, garlic.
Oh yeah, the garlic, onions, and all that. So it's very good, you guys. So I hope you will try it. But if you don't have to, you don't have to do it with the turkey meat. Because a lot of people don't like turkey meat. And then just use the ground meat, or ground pork, or ground whatever you have. So y'all please try it. Because it's just really a one-pot meal. You can do it all at one time, but I kind of did it separately because I was doing some other things today. So may God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. And try this one-pot meal with I call it a turkey vegetable meal, also with that you can do kind of like a turkey vegetable pasta, you know. But anyway, I love you all. Bye now. I will see you in the next video from Miss Lena's Kitchen from the turkey vegetable video.
Okay, y'all. Bye-bye. She used 1 pound of meat. All right, bye, y'all.